Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now today I'm going to explain about how to install Visual Studio Code and how to install packages in the Visual Studio Code, how to run Python, how to run Java, and also other languages in the Visual Studio Code. So let's get started. Okay, now go to the visualstudio.com website. Let me type Visual Studio Code. Uh, and then click on the first website. You'll get, wait a second, yes, this is the this is the first link that is indexed. So please click on this website. Yes, now you can see that this is the UI of the Visual Studio Code website. It is showing the download for Windows. So if you are in Windows, click on the download for Windows. So if you are on Mac or Linux, click on the stable version like Mac OS or Linux. Yes, now actually now I am on Windows. I'm clicking to download on Windows. Yes, so if I click this one, my download will be started. Yes, see, 1 second. Yes, I am clicking on start download, but actually there is no need of downloading because actually I'm having that I've installed Visual Studio Code already. So this is the Visual Studio Code application, the .exe file. So please everyone pause the video here and wait until your Visual Studio Code gets installed. So once the application has been installed, double click on the exe file. So it is asking that license agreement, so this will be if you want to read everything, please read. So finally you have to accept the agreement to move forward. It is asking that select the additional task you need like setup to perform while installing Visual Studio Code, then click next. So create a desktop icon. If you really need a desktop icon, click on checkbox. I don't need that. And add open with Windows Explorer. Add open with add action to Windows Explorer. So please check all the things like here all the things: add to path, registered code, add to Windows Explorer directory, add to Windows Explorer file. Then click on the next. Then install. Click on the install. Yes, it is preparing install. Wait for a while. It is getting installed. Wait for a while. Yes, it is getting installed. Extracting files. Wait until the setup is done. Yes, it is showing that it is installed and it is opening. Completing the Visual Studio Code setup wizard. Setup has been finished. Installing Visual Studio Code and committed. This application may be launched by selecting the installed shortcuts. Yes, click finish and exit setup. So to launch the VS Code, please click the button. Now the VS Code opens. Now actually previously I have been done some projects, that's why it is showing. So wait 1 second, I'll open a normal file. Second. Okay. Second, we'll create a simple file to show the demo of how it will be. Creating a file like a VS Code. Yes. Now I'm closing this one. Open the folder and then right click, show more options. Here it is showing that open with code. Yes, I have to click that one, open with code. So this folder has been opened. So in the get started button, in this UI, it is asking new file, open folder, clone a repository. So now close this one, remove all the suggestions. So now here it is showing 4 options. The first one is new file. So if you want to create a new file like index.html, like it is an .html extension, so that it is like setup has been detected, cancel. Yes, so index.html means it is a HTML format. Because I am using .html extension, if you want to use .py like a Python file, create like app.py. So it will come as like a Python Python file. So if we need to run anything like a print hello world, then save this using Control S, and then go to the terminal, new terminal. So here you have to type like python app.py. Yes, see your output has been printed. So if you want to use this one also, you can use the run button. So it will also print like hello world. So this may not be printed to all the users, because I have installed the extension for Python. You have to click the extension for Python. See, if you type, so the very fifth one, like this is the explorer, this is search bar, and this is the source control, and the source control comes for the GitHub. So you have to integrate the GitHub projects with this one. We have to use that one. So as of now, leave it. So this is the run and debug, and this is the extension bar. So remaining that one, I'll leave it, because I have installed separately for database and MySQL. For me it is coming. Yeah, now I have opened extension not compiled with code. Okay, no problem. So if you wait 1 second, I will uninstall, and then I will go for this. Yes, extension pack. Yes, it is installing. So you will see the button like install. You have to click the install Python button. So then only this application will run. Like this, you have to click for Java. 1 second. Java, is it is coming. Once the Java is loading, why it is not getting? Yes, it is loading. So it is taking some time. See, these are all the installed ones for me. 1 second, I'll show everything. This Atom 1 dark theme for this dark theme. Auto rename tag, this is not required. Core runner, and then debugger for Java is for running the Java, and so on. I have installed everything. IntelliCode, live server, everything. So on. So this is the thing you have to do for creating a new file. So to create a new folder, you can give this one. See, this is the way you can create a new folder. In this folder, if you want to create an image like in the JPG format, so please create like this. Yes, this is the thing you will create, like you will create for folders, and this is for file, and this is for refreshing, and then this is for closing, like minimizing everything. Like if this was an open, so it will get minimized. So this is all about the setting of the Visual Studio Code. Thanks for watching.